So very good morning to all. So myself Anand, I'm working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering in past 10 years. So today we are going to discuss about the topic of AC voltage regulator. This is a topic comes under the industrial electronics subjects. So before going to the topic, so we seen about the revisions. In previous session, we discussed about the rectifiers. Rectifier is a device. Uh, it is a device. This is a rectifier device. The rectifier device used to convert the fixed AC voltage into DC voltage. So, coming to the current topic, so what is voltage regulator? Voltage regulator is nothing but it's regulate some of the voltage coming from the main circuit. The final output will be the regulated constant and perfect targeted output voltage. So for this voltage regulation, we are using LM7105 voltage regulator IC for regulate the particular voltage. For example, 7805 means the last two numbers indicating the constant voltage. For 7805 now, the output will be the 5 voltage. The 7809 means that regulator regulate the voltage from 0 to 50 and give the proper output as 9 voltage. Likewise, 7812, 7815, for example, 7815 it gives the 15 voltage. So the voltage regulator has three terminals. One is input, another one is output. The third terminal, that is center terminal, connected in both input and output. Okay, so we have some other voltage regulators in our topic. That is, the left one is triac, the right one is SCR based anti-parallel circuits. So triac is one of the voltage regulating device for the alternating current, but it has some disadvantages because it has some limitation. That limitation is nothing but it only allows the voltage up to 1000 voltage. Beyond 1000, it cannot act as a solid state device. During after uh, so beyond 1000 voltage, the breakdown region is will be activated, and the device will not act as a solid state device, semiconductor device. It acts as a conducting device. So the maximum power rating of the track is 1000 voltage. So we are introduced one more device, that is SCR, anti-parallel SCR. So this is the one of the SCR, and this is one of the SCR combined together form a anti-parallel SCRs. This SCRs, pair of SCRs, used to control the voltage regulation in all kind of circuits. So this is one of the applications. This SCR mainly used in fan regulators in day-to-day life. So likewise, on industrial AC voltage regulations. Before going to the voltage regulation, how the motor uh, creating impact of voltage. So normally stator voltage control is the method used to control the speed of the induction motor. The speed of the three-phase induction motor can be varied by varying the input supply. As we already know that the torque developed is proportional to square of the supply voltage. The torque is always proportional to square of the supply voltage. Now, if you change any supply voltage, now directly it affect the torque. So we can indirectly change the torque of the motor with the help of voltage. So we have three types of speed control technique in induction motor, connecting the external resistance by using auto transformer, by using thyristor SCR based voltage controller. So in our topic, we are using SCR based um, speed control of AC motors. What is SCR? SCR is a silicon control rectifier. It's the most important and mostly used member of thyristor. So it is a unidirectional device. It's a collective current from bidirectional, and it allows only one direction. This is the basic structure of SCR. This is the working principle of SCR. It is a basic circuit diagram for single phase induction motor using speed control of single phase induction motor using SCR. For single phase supply, two thyristors connected back to back, that is anti-parallel, shown in figure. It was the positive waveform controlled by this SCR, SCR1, the negative waveform controlled by negative SCRs. This is SCR2, likewise. This is the basic construction output principle of SCR based thyristor based speed control of DC motor in voltage control technique.